Okay, let me explain it to you. We got the Herm system here, right? Alright, so there's the coil, and that's what's going to keep the wort at a constant temperature, 150 something. And the water in here will be heated. There's a burner under there, alright? And that will heat this water and keep it at a constant temperature. We're probably looking at trying to maintain that temperature like 160. And then anyway, the idea here is that this would be your hot liquor tank where you get all your hot water for your strike water, and that will come out through the Herm and drop, and what would happen is you got this coming out of the mash tun right now, and we're just circling right here with the little pump. And the little pump is pumping it in, and then it goes around and around in the coil, and then it comes out over here, and then it's coming out the sparge arm right here. See, because that little red one is open, and that's all running off of that little solar hot water pump. And that is circulating the wort that would be mashing in the tun here, in the mash tun. And then we're going to take the wort when it's finished, and what we can do is move the water from here out of this spigot right here, because see that dip tube comes up and around and comes out there, and so you can take the hot water that's in here, and you can run it into by simply moving this hose from underneath there. See, underneath. So we're just gonna turn this off here, and then I got it hooked up to two of them, two little ports underneath there, and we'll take this. All right, I may have to put the phone down, but I'll separate these two tubes. So that's what would happen. Whoop. And so this one will go in there, and then we start turning that on. And should be pulling. Whoop. So that is then going to go down and into the pump. Oops. Alright, there's water being pushed. I don't know if you can see that. See, there's water being pushed up. So we got to get that flowing. There we go. All right, and so this is running here, and it will come out and go right. See, we can just take that off and go right in. So, and then that would be filling up the hot liquor right there. And that comes out pretty good. So we'll get this going around in there. That's going to be hot water. We'll fill it up. Also, you can get adequate amount of hot water into the hot liquor tank by using the boil kettle and this pump. And then that would pump water, just reverse those heads right there, those two, and then we can get water to go basically from this one, and you have it go all the way down, and then up, and then you get your hot water into the mash tun. Then we add the grain in here, and then once it's all set up and we're mashed in, then we can start circling instead of putting the water in. And then what we would do is we turn this off, because we're not going to do that anymore, and attach it to our drawdown off the bottom of the grain bed, and that'll go right in there. So basically that's how you're going to make a beer with this crazy crazy Franken system. Alright. I'm sure there's lots of questions. Bye.